Hello everyone, this is Weather from Tanfon. Today what I show you now is a loading of a batch order to African Nigerian about 16 set of solar system. There is two models of this order. One part of this is 6 kilowatt solar system, and one other part is 3.2 kilowatt solar system. What we have loading is the mono 600 watt solar panel, and what is loading now is the chat of the solar panel. And in this way is the lithium battery and some inverter with 6.3 kilowatt solar system. We offer a 10 kilowatt hour lithium battery. If you try the 3.2 kilowatt solar system, we offer a 5 kilowatt hour lithium battery. 6 kilowatt solar system fit for the number of 5 to 6 families with air conditioner. If you try the 3.2 kilowatt solar system, it's fit for the number of 2 to 3 people in your family. If you are want to recharge the solar system, or you want to know more about solar system for home use, you can contact us. We not only offer a high-level creative product, but also with the most suitable loading plan. You are welcome.